He almost missed the bus again.
I told him to set an earlier alarm.
좋은 아침이에요.
네, 안녕하세요.
Attention everyone, the production target for this shift is displayed. Let's maintain our high quality standards and efficiency. Proceed to your stations.
Bring it down slowly.
Copy that. Watching the alignment. Looks good from here.
The consistency is perfect right here. See how it pulls?
Yes,
Yeah.
I see. The viscosity reading is stable.
Check the input valve on tank 3. The flow rate is inconsistent.
It seems stable here, but I'll recalibrate the sensor.
현재 온도가 넓습니다. 조절해야 합니다.
네, 알겠습니다. 수치를 확인하고 바로 조치하겠습니다.
We need to increase the feed rate slightly here.
Okay, I've updated the parameters on the tablet.
수분 함봉이 너무 높습니다.
네, 압력을 조절하겠습니다.
Timing synchronization is stable.
Noted. Looks good.
The temperature is stabilizing now.
And the humidity levels are holding steady. We are cleared for the next batch.
The humidity level is stabilizing now.
Good. I've adjusted the temperature profile for the next batch.
The humidity levels are stabilizing now.
Yes, the adjustment worked perfectly.
Check the vibration on tray 3.
Noted. Humidity levels are stable.
The readings on the sensor are fluctuating slightly.
Let's cross-reference that with the humidity data.
Humidity levels are stable in Zone 3.
Acknowledged. Continue monitoring flow rate.
The humidity in zone 3 looks slightly low.
Yes, I'm adjusting the steam flow now.
Look at the moisture content reading here.
It aligns perfectly with the drawing specification. The weight is consistent.
Check the uniformity here. Some pieces look slightly deformed.
I agree. We should isolate this tray for further review.
The rejection rate spiked slightly on the last batch.
I see that. The color sensor might need recalibration.
We have a minor consistency deviation in batch 4B.
Rerouting the flow for recalibration. Monitoring closely.
수치 확인해 주세요. 오차 범위 내입니다.
네, 확인했습니다. 계속 진행하세요. 왼쪽을 살짝 맞춰주세요. 네, 이제 맞았습니다. System performance remains optimal. The new arms are working well.
Agreed. The efficiency metrics are impressive.
We need this pallet cleared by noon.
Almost done. Just confirming the tracking numbers now.
Look at the throughput graph here.
Yes, the current run rate is stable and optimized.
Slow down, slow down. Dale? Okay, lower it right there.
The shipment details are all confirmed here.
Okay, I'll take this pallet then. Watch your left side. Straighten it up. That's good. Drop it there.